Hey, let me show you how you can fix charging issues of your Samsung Galaxy Watch FE. So first of all, if you are using the default adapter that actually comes with your watch, and when you actually put it watch on the charger and it doesn't work, you can try to use your wireless charger, because this smartwatch actually supports wireless charging. So maybe there's something wrong with your default charger that actually comes with in the box. Maybe it's broken, maybe something different, but simply try to recharge this device by using the different wireless charger. If it still doesn't work, you can try to, for example, switch the charging brick. Maybe there's some kind of the issue with the charging brick, so we can actually connect this straight into the other charging brick, or for example into your PC, console, power bank, or even into your smartphone, and then try to recharge. If it still doesn't work, probably the issue is with the charger, so you can actually try to buy the new one. I believe that you will be able to find something like this on the official Samsung website. And if it still doesn't work with the new charger, so you will have to definitely use the warranty of this device, because something is probably broken right here with this wireless charging. And this is it for this video, the quick information for you right now. Please subscribe to my channel.